Hello everyone, my name is S Panda and welcome to my course Deploying TeamCity in the Cloud. I'm a DevOps engineer in Talentica Software and I have been practicing cloud and DevOps for past 6 years. Have you ever wondered how you can run a TeamCity server in a cloud? Are you planning to scale your TeamCity server in the cloud? Do you want to know how to register and use the JetBrains TeamCity Cloud Beta service? If yes, then this course is for you. In this course, we are going to cover how to deploy the TeamCity server in the cloud, how to scale TeamCity server by running its agent in the AWS cloud, and how to register for TeamCity Cloud Beta version and use it in the organization. By the end of this course, you will be able to deploy, operate, and scale TeamCity in the cloud. If you are unaware of the TeamCity server and CI/CD practices, I recommend you to go through basic TeamCity courses at Pluralsight. I hope you will join me on this journey to learn deploying TeamCity in the cloud at Pluralsight.